In today's fast-paced digital world, affiliate marketing has become an essential tool for businesses to reach their target audience and drive sales. However, with the constant evolution of technology, staying ahead of the game can be challenging. To help you boost your earnings and stay competitive in this dynamic industry, we have identified 5 cutting-edge technologies that are shaping the future of affiliate marketing. Artificial intelligence, AI, revolutionizing targeting and personalization. Artificial intelligence has made significant strides in recent years, transforming various industries, including affiliate marketing. With AI-powered algorithms analyzing massive amounts of data in real time, marketers can now deliver highly targeted content to consumers based on their preferences and behaviors. Imagine being able to offer personalized product recommendations to your audience effortlessly. AI enables marketers to understand consumer behavior patterns better and tailor their offerings accordingly. By leveraging AI-powered tools like chatbots or recommendation engines on your website or social media platforms, you can enhance user experience while increasing conversions. Voice search optimization. Capitalizing on convenience. The rise of voice assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant has changed how people search for information online. As a result, optimizing your affiliate marketing strategy for voice search is crucial. According to research by Comscore, 50% of all searches will be voice-based by 2020. To tap into this growing trend effectively, optimize your content using long-tail keywords that match natural language queries. Focus on providing concise answers that address specific questions. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as most voice searches occur through smartphones. By adapting your content strategy for voice search optimization now, you can position yourself as a leader in this emerging field while boosting your earnings through increased visibility. Augmented reality, AR, enhancing user engagement. Augmented reality offers exciting opportunities for affiliate marketers to engage with their audience in innovative ways. By overlaying digital information onto the real world, AR enables consumers to visualize products before making a purchase. For example, imagine a furniture retailer using AR technology to allow customers to virtually place and rearrange furniture in their homes. By incorporating affiliate links within these experiences, marketers can drive traffic and increase conversions. AR can also be leveraged through mobile apps or social media filters to create interactive experiences that captivate users. By embracing this cutting-edge technology, affiliate marketers can provide unique value propositions that set them apart from the competition. Blockchain technology, ensuring transparency and trust. Transparency has always been a concern in the affiliate marketing industry. However, blockchain technology offers a solution by providing an immutable ledger of transactions that cannot be altered or manipulated. By leveraging blockchain-based smart contracts, advertisers and affiliates can establish trust by ensuring fair compensation for each conversion or sale generated. This eliminates any potential disputes over commissions and builds stronger relationships between all parties involved. Additionally, blockchain allows for greater transparency regarding data privacy and security concerns. With consumers becoming more conscious about how their data is being used online, incorporating blockchain into your affiliate marketing strategy will demonstrate your commitment to protecting their information. Influencer marketing platforms, streamlining collaboration. Influencer marketing has become an integral part of many successful affiliate campaigns. However, managing multiple influencers across different platforms can be time-consuming and challenging without proper tools in place. Enter influencer marketing platforms, centralized hubs where brands can discover influencers, manage collaborations, track performance metrics, and measure ROI effectively. These platforms streamline the process of identifying suitable influencers based on specific criteria such as niche relevance or audience demographics. By utilizing influencer marketing platforms like Aspire IQ or Upfluence, you gain access to powerful analytics tools that help you identify which partnerships are driving results for your business. This allows you to optimize your efforts while boosting your earnings through strategic influencer collaborations. Conclusion: as the affiliate marketing landscape continues to evolve, it is crucial for marketers to embrace cutting-edge technologies that shape the future of this industry. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, optimizing for voice search, leveraging augmented reality experiences, adopting blockchain technology, and utilizing influencer marketing platforms, you can stay ahead of the competition and boost your earnings significantly. Remember, Success in affiliate marketing lies not only in staying up to date with emerging trends but also in implementing them strategically. So take action now and start reaping the benefits these innovative technologies have to offer.